Hello guys, today we shall learn about 4x4 cube and how to solve it by step. Let us do the center first. This is step 1. This is the position and this white block goes to here. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now for the next one. Do it same time. 1, 2, 3. It goes. Now, this white block goes to this red block. So, 1, 2, 3. The center is completed. The white. Now, the yellow center. This is the position. And here is the yellow. So we have to move here and then we have to do 1, 2, 3. Yes, it makes a line. Now the next one is here. We have to move it here. So, okay. Now 1, 2, 3. Now this makes the yellow. This is white. This is yellow. We have to make the blue. So, there is the blue. This side white, this side yellow, and this side blue. And we have to make this side red. We have to make the green opposite of the blue in the same process. We have to make the orange of the opposite. This is the position. Red, white, green, green. This will come here. So, don't run fast unless run fast daily. See, white, green, green. This is the position. Red, white. So, this will come here. So, don't run fast unless run fast daily. See, red, white. This is double. This is white, blue, orange, white, blue, orange. So, this is not in position. We have to bring it in the correct position. So, here it is go up. Now bring it here. Now here. Now here. See? White, orange, blue, orange. Let's do the steps. Don't run fast unless run fast daily. See, blue, orange, and white, orange. So, we have completed step 2. We have completed all the edges. See, now we have to do like a 3x3 cube. So, this is blue and white. We have to first match the blue and white. See, I have matched the blue. Now, we have to slow down in the bottom. But because we have to do the white cross. Let's do it. I have made the white cross. Now the corner pieces. This is red and blue. So I'll move it to here. It match the blue and match the red. Let's go down at the bottom. Now we have to do all the corners. put the tea. See? Red tea, green tea, orange tea and blue tea. Now we have to set the edges in the right place. So this is orange and blue. We have to set here in the blue. So we have completed the edge. See, red green, green orange, orange blue and blue red. So now we have to do the yellow plus. How to do the yellow plus? Let's see. See the yellow plus. These are already matched. See? Green, orange, blue, red. So we do the next step. So this is matched. So we do the step. This is already matched. So corners, see? This is only matched, but the next all three was not matched. So we should do the steps. It was matching red, green, red, blue, blue, orange, green and orange. Let's do the white, the yellow corners. Now we have to do the yellow corners. 3, 9, 4, 9, 4, 10. 3, 9, 4, 10. See? Now for the next one. See? The cube is all complete.